Welcome everybody to JonesTV. Welcome to Searchin. This is Jay Jones. Today I'm going to talk to you about Cheat on Your Main by Pimp C off the Pimpalation album produced by Manny Fresh. All the sounds are from the Rolling Phantom. This is, I think, all the presets from the song, if not most of them. So the first preset, like I said, is from the Phantom because all of them are from the Phantom. They're under the PR-G bank, and the preset is 116 Alpha Hoover. Second preset from the song is from the PR-A bank, and the preset is called 014 Stage RHD Trim. Third preset from Cheat on Your Main is in the PR-C bank, and the preset is called 029 Brass Fall. Last but not least preset on Cheat on Your Main is in the PRC bank, and it is called 053 R&B Tri Lead. And those were the presets to Pimp C's Cheat on Your Main. If you're enjoying the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Check out other content on JonesTV. This has been Searchin, and I'm out.